What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sunray. Welcome back to my channel. And I know I'm looking a little crazy today, but that's because I just took my hair out of a protective style and I am going to be doing something very exciting today. I haven't done a length check on my hair in a very long time. So today I'm going to be doing a length check and I'm going to be using my RevAir. So I'm so excited to test this out because I literally just got it and I'm excited to see what it's gonna do for my hair type. I haven't actually blow dried my hair in a very long time, so this is a big step for me. I'm seeing the growth in my ability to let go. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys how my hair looks before I wash it. It's pretty dried and stretched, so I'm gonna wash it and come back. My hair is freshly washed, and today I'm gonna be using my Cure oil as a heat protectant. I'm just gonna put a few drops of that on my hair, and many people don't know that you can use oil as a heat protectant, but it is a great protectant against heat, against breakage. So yeah, I definitely recommend Cure as a heat protectant, especially for blow drying. Since this is the first time I'm using this dryer, I'm gonna start with it on the lowest setting because I don't wanna have any extra damage. I'm just being so cautious, so I'm gonna start with it on the low setting and see how that comes out first. So the reveal is here, and to be honest, this is not really what I expected for the first go round, as you can see by my face. It wasn't it. So I pumped it up to the second notch, which is the higher heat setting. I wanted it to be a little bit straighter than that, so I'm gonna pump it up. And look, y'all, the retry on the higher setting, y'all tell me, okay? Okay, this is giving. Y'all, this piece came out so straight. Like, I'm so excited to see what the rest of this is about to look like. So I'm gonna continue with the rest of my hair. And one thing I noticed when I use the RevAir is that my hair will straighten out better when it's brushed out, combed out. So that's what you see me doing here. Something also to note with this dryer is that when you do a section, it's recommended to only use it for 90 seconds at a time. So that's what you see me doing here to achieve this look. Okay, so I've just finished blow drying my hair. And I have to say, I really love this blow dryer. Like, my hair doesn't really get this straight when I usually blow dry it. So the tension that this blow dryer gives is so good. And I don't feel like I'm heat damaging my hair. Like, it feels good. So this might be my new thing. I don't know. I don't know what y'all think. Y'all let me know in the comments. I feel like it's a vibe. So I will say, one thing about this is that I do feel like my hair is reverting a little bit in the back. Like, as you can see, like, when I pull it, it's like a lot longer, but like it still shrinks up a little bit. So maybe it's user error, I don't know. But yeah, either way, it's still giving. So all in all, I would say I really enjoyed this experience. It didn't take me a long time to blow dry my hair. And my hair feels really good, especially with the oil that I use by Cure. It was so good. If y'all have not used that oil, go ahead, check it out. It's actually my sister's oil. It's called cureofficial.com. And I am using the herbal infused oil. So go ahead and get you some herbal infused oil. But yeah, that was me doing my RevAir process. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. In the meantime,